Very good morning, everybody, for Monday, the 20th of December. High pressure continues to dominate over the region at the moment. And with that in mind, a cold front will be sinking south through today. Not really much more than a cloud feature, but at least that should clear through some air before tomorrow, which should be a little bit brighter. And as we go towards the Christmas weekend, low pressure sits out in the Atlantic, and we will start to feel that influence probably by Thursday in the way of fronts. So at least the next couple of days, it will be relatively settled, although just a little bit cloudy at times. Our winds now are starting to come from the east, and looking at those isobars, we're not looking for particularly strong winds today. And at flying heights, generally on here, we're looking at about 15 knots, probably east, straight down the runway. Very nice indeed. Satellite picture over the UK at the moment shows again another blanket of cloud, but not fog today. The fog never really lifted here at Lasham at all yesterday, but yes, big blanket of cloud, and it's going to stay that way for most of the day. Just the temperatures just being a little bit more separate today, allowing that cloud base to be that little bit higher. Probably not much over 2,000 feet today, but still flyable, and we can't really complain for the December that we've had so far. Public forecast shows that sort of cloudy picture for most of the day, remaining overcast, and looking at the humidity figures, if we get to about 80% humidity, that gives us a couple of degrees dew point and temperature split. So yeah, 2,000 feet is very likely to be the cloud base that we get to at best. And temperature, it's got a little bit chilly again as we now start to bring in weather from the east. So we're looking at about 6 degrees and sort of wind on the ground, not really exceeding 10 knots from the east. That temperature broadly reflects what we're seeing on GFS, sort of the 8s and 7s on here, and looking at the dew points, very similar, sort of 3s and 2s. So hopefully with that picture, we get a reasonable cloud base. Farnborough are currently reporting few at 800, broken at 1,300, so it's probably broken at about 1,000 here at the moment, and we can see that it's due to go up to about 2,000, but for some of the morning it might be that little bit lower. And top meteo, if we compare to yesterday, is sort of showing less of that yellow stuff in our region, so maybe some fog coming back at the end of the day. But for most of the day, yeah, cloud base of about 1,500 to 2,000 feet. NOTAM wise, not particularly much. Fairford's active, but other than that, there is nothing really significant at all on here. Usual Farnborough, Solent and Boscombe NOTAMs. Operationally today, well, there may be a jet movement, but I haven't received full notification of that yet, so we'll wait and see. But there could be a jet movement, though that's more likely tomorrow. We're going to operate 09 today, launching gliders off the hard. I'll probably put the winch on the north side, just because of that slight northerly drift we've got. And we've got a few people around today, and if anybody does want to pop up, then please do. And we've still got some gliders available for tomorrow. I think tomorrow probably the best day of the week. All right, wrap up warm, and I'll see you on the airfield very shortly. Bye for now.